You found the tripwire. Nice. Can you light it up again? The closer you get, the different colors will change.
Yeah, get a different light. We're just here talking. If you don't want us here, you can light up something. Make the dead bell go off, or... So I hit it pretty quick now. Because I did that third at one time. I'm like, dude, I'm dying.
Right.
And we're in boots and uniform.
Right. Well, yeah, because you got to do it like you're going to do it on the job. Hey, I know, we're ignoring you. I'm sorry. We're talking real work.
Okay. I mean, you can join the conversation.
Right.
What did you used to do down here? Do you take care of the boiler? Or do you just come down and hang out? It's a good hiding spot. Is it true that someone died down here? Maybe because I said uniform?
Maybe. You were talking. Right. You said boots, uniform. Yeah. It felt like something was touching my hand when we were talking. I'm like, ah, there's that bug crawling across my hand feeling again.
Someone passed away down here, or do you know who passed away down here? Wasn't it an accident? Or did someone do it on purpose?
Hey, you hit the bell. Ah. Oh, now it's broke. God damn, that thing. I'm going to have to beat it. No, I don't want you to touch it. I'll fix it right now. No, I will fix it temporarily, as usual. I know, you're trying. I'm sorry. My bell, it's got issues.
So was it an accident?
Oh, and I dropped it all off. Hey, settle it down.
So was it an accident? Because before I said was it on purpose, the bell rang an accident. I mean, if it's an accident, it's an accident. Shit happens. You want us to stay in here? You want us to leave? Yes. Pretty clear.
That was pretty damn clear. Wow.
So, you want us to leave?
Alright.
Why?
I guess we can leave. Well, we just asked, do you want us to leave? And it was like, yes. And I was like, whoa, that sounds like a commercial. And yes again, it was like, yes. So they want us to leave.
We're just popping in and popping out.
Okay.
I'm Ryan. Do you care?
Do you want Ryan to leave?
You want Aleece to leave? You want both of us to leave?
Are you tired of us asking you questions?
What do you say?
It sounded like fuck you, yeah.
Alright, well, I think that's our clue.
Alright, we will clean up.
We appreciate you talking to us, even that.
And then you hit the wire and the bell. That's awesome. We will leave you alone.